For today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this eyebrow look. These are the things that we are going to use, plus the concealer, the sponge, or the blending brush. Using the spoolie side of the eyebrow brush, you can tame your eyebrow hair in the shape you want it to be. If you are a beginner and you don't know which shape will look good on you, I hope this picture will help. I'm just taking the excess hair here from the days that I did not shave my brows. I'm doing it very slowly to make sure that I will not take a single strand from my very thin eyebrow hair. As you can see, I'm using a spoolie to tame this eyebrow hair again because there are some long strands that need to be cut with scissor, and I'm not really using the scissor because I don't want to look like I don't have any hair if I'm not using eyebrow products. Now it's time to use the brow pomade. I'm just starting at the middle of my eyebrows and to the end and applying it very lightly. It's easier to add more than to erase it. Before putting this in your brow, you should test it at the back of your hand first to make sure that you're not putting a lot of product in the eyebrows. In this front part, I'm doing this kind of stroke to mimic my hair. Using a concealer will enhance your eyebrow look. You can use a precise blending brush or a beauty blender or any kind of sponge to blend your concealer. If you will ask me, I prefer the sponge because it will give you a natural finish. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!